What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Tonight I'm just going to give you a quick little video on what I do to give my car just a quick, clean up and stuff like that before I take it out the next day, just while I'm in the garage, just giving it a quick wipe down. So when you're in the garage you ain't got any water or anything like that. So basically I'm going to show you what I use and just do a quick wipe down. Right here's what I use. Everything I got from my Car Gazette. So this is all Chemical Guys products, and what I'm going to use today is, like I said, it's just the stuff that I'm going to use inside the garage. So this is like a car wash. Obviously this stain extractor works really well. I use this and get some stains out. Like if you go to the fast food joint and you take your fast food bag and you put it on that seat beside you and you get that stain, like that was an accident, but boom, this took it right out. Got the wheel cleaner, speed wipe, got the glass cleaner, got the wheel shiner with the wheel tire shine, the orange degreaser right here, which I got diluted down because some of the stuff's super concentrated, so you want to make sure you read and see if it's concentrated. It needs to dilute it down, stuff like that. So microfiber wash. We're going to use this. We're going to use the waterless car wash in the garage tonight. Boom. We're going to use wheel cleaner in the garage tonight. We're going to use, let's see here, tire shine, Payal. We'll use that. We will use the All Clean all-purpose cleaner. We'll use that on the inside real quick, just give that dash a quick wipe. This is going to be a time-lapse video, so it's going to be pretty quick. And I'm going to use the speed wash because instead of the speed wipe, because the car, as far as I'm concerned, needs a wash. I've been out driving it. Here, let me get the light, I'll show you. I've been out driving it, so it is dirty. As you can see right there, I drew a line in there just to show you how much dirt and dust and just grime is all over this car. So I got bugs just galore, and you can see where my paint's chipping off. Like, the paint job on this car is not perfect. I did not do it. So don't hate on me, but anyway, I like it. It is what it is. It's been painted a few different times, probably incorrectly every time, but I don't care. So like I said, there's bugs all over this thing. It does shine up good. You're about to see. I'll show you. This car shines up pretty well for being what it is. It's like a good 10-footer, I'd say. So I'll just give you guys a quick, just letting you see how dirty stuff is. Like, wheels are pretty dirty. And we'll get after it. Alright, I did half the hood real quick, and I'll show you the difference from one side to the other. So, there's one, there's the other. I just got done wiping the car down. I'm looking for my light. There it is. Looking for my light over here. I'll show you. Boom, look at this sparkling. I didn't do the wheels or nothing like that. Let's see if this light helps. Not too much. Not too much. I'm just trying to get like a good. These lights in the garage don't get the good picture, you know. Look at that. Shine, shine. Shine, shine, shine. I wouldn't judge it off the hood. Like, you see all these spots and stuff on here. That's like tar. I'm not sure what it is. It was all over the car when I got it. I've gotten a lot of it off, but it's just, as you can see. Let me see if I can get a good. It's just tar. It's like even raised it up a little bit. That's why when I first started doing it, you seen that little circle around in this area somewhere, because I put some citrus on there to try to get that tar up. Made it look weird when I sprayed it on there, like this little area right here. But I still gotta do the rims and the glass and the dash. But other than that, like, if you look around all the other parts of the car, it's clean. The hood sucks, but everything else is good. I don't know if that light's helping or not. But this thing is fast. So fast. It blows the paint off. That's how fast. See? Blowing the paint right off of it. Too fast. So we're gonna get cracking on the rest of it. I'm gonna do another time lapse, make it quick, do the rims, and then I'll do the tires, the tire shine. I think I'm just gonna do the outside. I'm not gonna do the inside right now. I'll make that another video. You know what excites me about picking out rims for cars is the easier they are to clean, the better. That's what makes me happy. Because, man, oh man, it sucks. Just wanted to show you guys real quick. All I did was spray that. Look at all of that. Look at all that dirt running down. See all that dirt? Look at all that. Just sprayed it on there. All that dirt. Look at that. Boom, boom, boom. Got it done. We got the car wiped down. We got the rims wiped down. All we got left to do is put the tire shine on and clean the windows, and we're all done. So, like I said, here, let me show you this. Look at that shining. Boy, oh boy. Sure does shine good. So you got some bad spots in there, you know? But look at that. Boys, new Z28 badges, shining tires, little bitty brakes, shining tires though. So let's get the let's go ahead and get the other stuff done real quick. man, I worked up a thirst doing all that, I swear. So, got it all done. It is shiny and looks terrific. Check it out. Boom. Like you see how dull, well, it didn't have any shine or luster before. Look at them clean old windows. I got my extra gas, or E85. Got my extra E back there. Boom. Shiny tires and rims. So that's how I clean my car in the garage without any water, and when you know, it's nasty outside and I still have to have it clean the next day, or would like to get out and drive it the next day, I got all my car stuff in the garage. I can take care of it here with my Car Gazette. So everything you see here comes with it, even the microfiber towels, the little coasters, the applicator for the tire shine. So I hope you like today's video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if it's your first time, tell a buddy. I almost forgot. I wanted to show you guys one more thing. On Monday, today is Saturday, so tomorrow will be Sunday, and then Monday I got my car in for the tint. So we're gonna have the windows tinted. So this is what a little preview of what it looks like without the windows tinted, and what it's gonna look like with the windows tinted. So I don't really like how you can like see right in there like this. You can see everything. So hopefully we're gonna get this window nice and dark back here. I have some concerns about the defrost. Excuse me. I had some concerns about the defrost over in here, and that's about it. And well, I got this little window scratch right here, like just from, these windows are like 30 years old, so there's a little bit of scratch in there just from going up and down, you know, with stuff getting in between a seal and the window. So the windshield is brand new, but that's the only concerns I have. I'm gonna do a little strip across the window, darken the sun visor across there, and then I'm going to do the side windows, try to get the back as dark as I can legally without getting messed with the police, and we will let you know how it looks when we are done. Hopefully I want to get some like my channel name on here and my Instagram. So if you want to follow me on Instagram, it is Straight Boosted 219, and I hope you liked today's video.